Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys some fun items that I've collected over the years living in Japan that I got from Mr. Donuts. Now, Mr. Donuts usually has some kind of promotion where they give away goods, and this has been something they've done for years since they first opened. Over the years that I've lived here, I've been here for over 20 years, and they've changed the way that they give away these items. In the beginning, you had to buy a certain amount of something and you'd get a lucky card, and then you'd scratch that and it would reveal anywhere between 1, 2, and 3 points. And then you had to get, the total of 10 points or 20 points or 30 points to get different items during that particular time of promotion, which could be pretty challenging. You had to eat a lot of donuts to get them all. Then they changed to a sort of different method, and lately they just do it where you buy a set of, the promotional donuts that are available at that time, and it comes with something along with it. Now, some of the things I was going to show you guys are things that are part of kids' meals too, sort of similar to buying like a happy set. So those are some of the different ways that you could get a hold of these. And I'm going to have a link in the description, so if you guys wanted to, you could check out where all of the different things that have ever been made. They have this amazing catalog that is devoted on the Mr. Donuts website that just shows everything from every year, both kids' meals and other things that you could get. This is not everything I've got. I don't even know how much I'll show you guys. And then there's things that I've used and that have gone away. I had some huge like plush toys of Pond de Lion, for example, and I had actually collected all of the figurines. You can see here, like on this charm, there's this cute little figure of him. They actually had little toys that were available too that were pretty good size. I would say, like 5 centimeters tall, maybe even. And I had all of them for the whole series. And the girls played with them and drew on them and just had fun with them like kids do. So that's not something I have anymore, but, they enjoyed it, so that's fine with me. I don't normally collect because I'm like keeping it forever because it's precious. It's more because I just think it's cute and I like it. So I just never had a cell phone, so I never used this. I never really had a cell phone. Masa and I always shared one, and he doesn't want to have all these huge weird charms on him, so I never had my own. But these are charms, and this is from way back in 2009. So these are, of course, Pond de Lion and stuff. So I'll show you guys here what some of them were. And let's see here. I'll try to kind of keep in the same vein of things. This is similar to that. They did a promotion, cross promotion, with Kewpie and the Rose O'Neill's Kewpie doll and Pond de Lion. So that's adorable. That's a pretty rare thing that you can't get so easily probably anymore these days, but that's one thing that they had. They had a lot of bento boxes because that's a pretty popular thing, and I'm totally doing these in random order, so I apologize for that. But they did this whole promotion where they did a collaboration with Sanrio, and that's a pretty big deal. They don't usually do that. And I got actually a few things. There's this one here that's this adorable little bento box that has the collaboration artwork of Hello Kitty and Pond de Lion on there. So he's got the little ribbon on. There's a little placemat that comes with it, I think. Yeah, I mean, that's just so cute. Ugh, wow, so adorable. So that's one thing where you get like a bento box. Then there's some things that have nothing to do with Pond de Lion and are just donut themed. This is one of my favorite things. This is a donut shaped bento. It's huge, right? And it's like such a pain to make your bento fit into a ring, a donut. And there was this, and it's old, you can tell because the color is sort of yellowing. I don't know if you can see that from this light angle. But I also have the strawberry one too. See, there's this mint and strawberry ones. They're so cute. And then they come with a little box for holding your chopsticks in too. But that doesn't really have any like cute mark on it. It's just but you do get that with it. So that was one of the things. Sometimes they have stuff like that that doesn't include a character and it's just donut themed. It kind of depends. Here's another thing that's sort of like that. Just a pouch, and then on the inside it has little donuts everywhere. It says Mr. Donut. So that's another kind of thing you might get, where it's just something really random that doesn't, you know what you're getting, of course, but there's a lot of those things that are the bento boxes. And then they have a bunch of dishware, and I have a ton of them upstairs, and I just didn't want to bring them all down, but to kind of give you an idea, I have a ramen bowl that has pon de lion on it. It's so cute. And I think in this series, actually, there was 2 that you could get. This one that has pon de lion, and then one that had French cruller on it, the little sheep friend. And Kate uses this all the time to have ramen, so it's super cute. I love it. It's so adorable. This is the collaboration with that. I forgot this dish was from that too. I don't know if you guys can see it. The color's weird. Isn't that cute? And then there's this plate too. And these are just plates that I have, that I've collected, and I use. You know, we have them around the house and use them when we have a chance. Yeah, when they do a collaboration like this, you definitely will get your hands on it. They have also recently done a lot of collaborations with Pokemon. So we get a lot, you know, some things like that. Sadly, last year's Christmas series was not very attractive looking, and I didn't get anything from it because I was kind of disappointed in the way things looked. But, you know, sometimes it's cute and sometimes it's not. So, this is another item that I got, and inside is golf balls. I love this. And the little guys, this is so cute, right? I mean, that's just with the little tees. It's just so cute. So I think this was actually something I couldn't get when it was around, but I knew it existed and I wanted it so badly that I hunted it down on auctions, and Masa got it for me. So that is one thing that, you know, is pretty rare and hard to get to. There's something like that. There is a Rubik's Cube, and I haven't even taken it out of this plastic here. Let's see here. A little Rubik's Cube that has some of the characters. This is old, from like when this whole series first started. So you've got, you know, all these guys. That's French Cruder and French Wooter, I should say, and Honey Sheeple, and yeah, I can't remember all the names. Pon de lion. So yeah. Cute thing, right? Just such adorable stuff. They like made everything so cute. Here's another kind of collaboration between Mr. Donut and Hello Kitty, and this isn't her dressed up with pon de lion, it's just her eating donuts. So sometimes you see that too, where there's not necessarily a collaboration with her and pon de lion, it's just her and another character in donuts. So that was a gift from one of the promotions for Kids Meal. This one was also from a kids meal. It's one of those, you know, puzzles that you take out and move the pieces around. And then it's also a ruler. So that's fun. This is old too. That's, I think, from, you can usually tell. It says like Misto, and it has a number after that. This is from 13. So this is from 2013 is when that one was released. And then I like it when they do other collaborations, like with, they did a collaboration with Chorokyu, which is a really well-known like car series, toy that's in Japan that's similar to Hot Wheels. You put a little coin in the back and it does wheelies and stuff when you make it. You can pull it back and it moves. So this is the very special pon de lion one here. Very cool. And you know, yeah, and this is part of the kids set, so you could only get it if you got a kids set. And then there's this weird thing here too, and I don't really know what this is. It's so strange. What is this thing? I think it's like a puzzle or what? A face-changing machine? Oh dear, that's very strange. So you push this little button here, and then like his face changes. So another thing that they do is they have schedules every year in Japan. You can get, usually it's something where you can buy that now, and then you also buy a certain number of donuts and you get the schedule. Sometimes there's a particular character that's featured. Sometimes there's just basic ones that are different colors. They do promotions with Snoopy. They also do promotions, like I said, with Pokemon. This particular one was still pon de lion, but it features the artwork of this amazing artist, Kayo Horiguchi, and I love her stuff so much. She does collaborations with lots of other people in Japan too, like Sanrio and stuff. but her style is just so cute. And this whole, it's kind of hard to see because I have this plastic case on it, and it's way from 2018. But you know, her style is just so pretty, and she has these like cute little drawings. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, but it's just beautiful. And she has the whole, you know, year plotted out with little tiny artwork on every single page for all the characters. And then there's stickers and things like that included, you know. You can kind of see on this page maybe. Like, it's just so cute. So well thought out. Her own interpretation of these guys. So, and those are the main characters there. But so it's really neat to get something like this, and especially if it's a design that you like a lot. They also do lucky bags every year. And the lucky bag includes, usually the standard go-to is there's a calendar inside, a wall calendar, and some kind of like, you know, echo bag or a tote bag, and maybe either a bento or a little container. And then you also get 10 donut coupons, or you can get your 10 donuts right away. And, you know, it's about like $20 about. And so that's one way that you can get a hold of a lot of goods. And, you know, I don't know if the website shows those on their page or not. I don't know if they do. It might strictly just be promotion things. So you might not see those there, but I'll have to double check later. But so definitely very cute, amazing items available here that you can enjoy. So if you guys are ever allowed to travel again and you are ever in Japan, you should definitely, of course, go to Mr. Donuts, just because donuts there are so good. I think they make really great donuts. They're not overly sweet, and for myself, I personally like it when it's not like too sweet. So I really like the ones that they have here. They have notebooks that feature him. They have pencils and pens that I've gotten to. Those are all things you can just get regularly at stores and have nothing to do with the donut shop. So there are some goods that feature Mr. Donuts and that also feature Pont de Lion that are not at the actual place where you get donuts too. But if you're looking for strictly goods that have been released by the stores in Mr. Donuts restaurants, then usually they're part of the thing that's called misdo. And that means that it's part of their, you know, collection of goods that you know, they offer, and you can usually see it on anything you buy. Like this bottom of this ramen bowl says Misdo 11 and not for sale. So it's from 2011, and you can kind of know as a collector what you're getting, you know, because it says that on the bottom. And if you check out the extensive list online, you'll know exactly what's available too. So that can be really nice. But I definitely think it's a cute collaboration that has really kind of become part of Japanese culture. He's not around as much lately. There's a lot more push to do things with other characters right now, like I said, especially Pokemon and stuff too. So it depends on, you know, who you might like and stuff. Some characters I think that are from Line are doing collaborations too. It all depends on you know, what you see and what they have. So, but it can be a lot of fun to look at. And I know Sunday Foggy Notions wanted to see this, and I hope it kind of is cool. I kind of just did a very random presentation of what I had, trying to gather what I could around me. And I know I'm missing a few things, but this is about the basics. So I wanted to just let you guys see everything. So let me know if you guys have any comments or questions in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them for you guys. And I'll hope to have some more fun things to share with you guys later on. I know I haven't done many videos here in a while, being just busy and stuff, but I hope to have a few things here and there every now and again to share with you guys. So look for that. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!